Ever feel like your money just disappears? 1 minute you're getting paid, the next you're broke again. You open your banking app and it's all red numbers, random charges, and a growing sense of panic. Here's the truth. Most people fail financially not because they don't make enough, but because their money has no system. Be honest. Did you really need 5 food delivery apps last month? Yeah. Me neither. You've tried budgeting apps, spreadsheets, even guilt-tripping yourself. But tracking every dollar feels like a full-time job, and you already have one. Here's the trick that changed everything for me: automated money buckets. It's simple. The moment you get paid, your money automatically flows into preset categories: rent, food, investing, fun, emergency fund. No decisions, no stress, just clarity. Suddenly, you're not guessing, you're growing. You don't need to check your account every day, because your system does it for you. It's like switching from chaos to control overnight. And the best part, it builds wealth in the background while you live your life. But here's the twist. Saving is safe. Investing builds wealth. But which one will actually make you rich faster? Tap this video next. Saving versus investing. Which one will make you rich faster?